Hey class, so I'm gonna go ahead and do number of the day. Of course, you should always put your name. Make sure you put your name on the paper before you turn it in Monday, okay? So we're gonna do number of the day. Number today we're gonna do is 125, alright? So what I like doing all the time, I like doing my place value chart. So I'm gonna put my ones, my tens, my hundreds. Okay? What does it look like? Base 10. Alright? So now I can get this is why it's so useful. I have 100. How many tens? 2 tens. How many ones? 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. What does it look like in money? Okay, so you can do 125 pennies, 12 dimes, and a nickel. But I like doing easy, okay? So I'm gonna put a quarter, another quarter, because I know 2 quarters is 50 cents, another quarter, 75 cents, another quarter, $1, which is 100 cents, 125 cents, all right? So we know a quarter is 25 cents, and each hair on a coin is 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Because the quarter is 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And now we can count it all together. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Up, I made a mistake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, this has 6. Oh, I didn't write it correctly, and it's messing me up. You always want to make sure you double count. So make sure everything has 5. Ooh. 5, there it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start over. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 150, 120, 125. 125 what? 125 tacos? No, cents. 125, 125. Now we're going to write in dollar form. 1 goes here and 25 cents. $1.25. 125 cents. Okay? So let's go ahead and do expanded form. Okay? What we're going to do is going to write our hundreds. Tens and ones. And again, how many hundreds do we have? What's below the H? 1. 100. How many tens do we have? 2. 2 tens. How many ones do we have? 5. Which equals, what is 100 by itself? 100. What is 2 tens by itself? 20. What is 5 ones by itself? 5. And if you add it up, it gives you 125. Okay? So now let's do word form. Okay? So we know it's 100. And we know we just can't call it 2 tens, 5 ones. There's a special name for it. So when we have, it's going to be 20. Which if you break it apart, you could do 125. Don't forget the hyphen. Okay? So odd or even. So remember, what place value are you supposed to look at to see if it's odd or even? Hundreds, tens, or ones? Yes, you are correct. If you said the ones, you need to look at the ones place value, okay? And how does the song go? You are correct. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is even. Is this 0, 2, 4, 6, 8? No. So then it is odd. Do we do number halved? Nope. So now let's do number double, okay? I'm going to get some scratch sheets. number double is pretty much you can use the number of the day and add it by your number of the day. Okay? So we know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 10. So right there, put the 1 on top of here. Okay? Put a 1, 2, a 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Now we got a 1 here, a 1 here, 1, 2. 250. Now, if you're ever not sure, you can always check your work. You can do what you got here, 250, minus the bottom part. This is only for subtraction, okay? Only for subtraction. Is 0 bigger than 5? No. So I need to borrow. So I'm going to take this, borrow 1, 4, and put 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many am I taking away? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is left. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many am I taking away? 2. 2 is left. 1, 2. How many am I taking away? 1. And this number gives you that number. Okay, so you know it's right. Do you have to do that? No. Now we're going to go to midpoint. Okay, 125. 125. We always put our number of the day there. Okay, so it's asking, where is it on the number line? Multiple of 10. Okay, so you're counting by tens. That's the rule. Okay, if you go to the right, it gets bigger. If you go to the left, it gets smaller. Okay, so 125 plus 10. Right? I know this one goes here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do the work. 125 plus 10. 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 1, 1, 2, 3. 135. And I know 135 goes here. 125 minus 10. Okay, so it's this one. 125 minus 10. We know that 5 is bigger than 0, 2 is bigger than 1, and 1 is bigger than 0. So do we have to borrow? No. 5 minus 0 is going to be 5. 2 minus 1, 1, 2. We take away 1. 1 left. 1 minus 0 is 1. 115. So we'll go 115. And we always can check 115, 125, 135, 145, 145, 135, 125, 115. Okay, it got to sound right. So this one we do both of them. Okay, I know we're not used to it, but our number is big enough, right? So 125 going backwards by 100 is going to be 125 minus 100. Is 5 bigger than 0? Yes. Is 2 bigger than 0? Yes. Is 1 bigger than 1? It's equal. So I'm good. So we're just going to 5 minus 0 is 5. 2 minus 0 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. Because you put 1, take away 1, bam. 0. I don't have to put it down. So it's going to be 25. Okay. 125 plus 100. We're going to put 25 right there. Okay. 125 plus 100. 25 plus 100. 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 0, 2. 1 plus 1, 1, 2. 225. That. 2. 225. Okay, so we can always go 25, 125, 225, 325. Count backward. 325, 225, 125, 25. The rule here is 100. The rule here is 10. Okay, so we got most of that out of the way. We could just add. So I'm going to do 125 plus 1. Okay, so I'm going to go over here, show my work. Put 125 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 5, 6. 126. Okay, 125 minus 1. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I forgot something. I didn't check. It's 5 bigger than 1. Yes. Is 2 bigger than 0? Yes. Is 1 bigger than 0? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We take away 1, 4 left. 2 minus 0 is 2. 1 minus 0 is 1. 124. And that is the number of the day. Kids, make sure you tell your parents to, there's going to be another video, and this video is going to be over the test, okay? You need to be watching the videos I sent every day, okay, at least once, right? So be careful. I'm also going to send a picture of this, right? You need to make sure you ask your parents. You say, hey, Mom, Dad, has Mr. Salguero uploaded a video? They need to check, okay? I told y'all. Thank you.